So these are the newest and best Dead Rails codes that you can use in order to level up in the game. Now, I'm going to teach you how to find them and how to find other codes in other games as well, so you won't have to look harder. So the easiest thing you can do is just go to Google or Safari or any kind of browser and search for the game that you want to look for codes. So as you can see, I search for Dead Rails Roblox. Now what you're going to want to do is type in codes. So now we're going to search for the codes for that specific game. As you can see, there are a lot of these websites which show us the different kinds of codes that we can use. So as you can see, the top link says bank code. So that's not what we're actually looking for, because it's going to give us the bank codes in order to open the bank, which is not what we need. What we need is the redeemable code in order to progress in the game. As you can see over here, Dead Rails codes April 2025. So let's go on ahead and read here. So it's just going to give us an intro and just simply scroll down, and as you can see, here are the active Dead Rails codes and the expired Dead Rails codes. So at the moment, there are no active or expired Dead Rails codes because they haven't implemented it into the game. So we're just gonna have to wait for a new update in order for them to add a new code, and then we can go on ahead and claim them. Just keep on searching for Dead Rails codes on your browser every once in a while so you can find out if there truly is a new one. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if this tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.